Mama and Papa. Francis. We are now in the Francis. That's the Jollibee again, pera.
Yeah.
Look at the people here. It's a lot. There. Dito pa kuya, dito. Doon pa, diretso pa. Mag-isa. It's different than the looks. It's not like that before.
Saan po, ma'am?
Diretso. Ay, ang may nakaupong puti na sa upuan na green. Yan. Ayan si Papa. That's Papa.
Bless. Filipino is mano.
Kahit ano, basta wag lang soft drinks. Ganito ang itsura ng bahay namin. Ayan, may tindahan sila, mama.
Pera pala.
Pero go there, is it? There.
Ayan, no?
Hello po.
Ano ko maputi? Ayan. Ano na,
Ito almasal namin, no? Opo.
Nung nakaraan si Si ate, ente
Si
niya.
ate.
Kaya kayo naman.
Ito pong dalawa. Tapos ito pa in-laws ko.
Yan yung kanyang biyanan.
Uy, don't touch it, ah. Oo. Apo.
Sambang sila rito kailan. Doon sila papunta-punta sa konto. Pupunta rito, ganon.
Let's eat na. Ayan ang aming almusal. Tocino, hotdog, and egg. Don't touch the cat. You can sit na. This one, try it. It's yummy. Have you tried it then? They're selling that in the restaurant always there near to us.
Okay, what's it called?
Tocino.
Pork tocino.
Pork tocino.
Pork.
Tocino.
Pampanga this.
You having something to eat, Sienna? Thank you. Huh?
That one you got right.
Oh my God! Do you like it? Do you like this pork?
Cigarettes.
It's
one
okay, it's a
piece.
bit out of my teeth.
Yeah, that's because of your teeth. Yeah.
Rice and tubig. Water.
Thank you very much.
Sarap yung banana
And
siya
then
na
how much
matamis.
How much was?
Magkano sigaret? Magkano daw yosi pa?
One piece.
How much the yosi?
One.
They're expensive, you know why?
Mahal. Pero naka-display yung cigarettes dito. Hindi hindi nakatago sa open.
150 per pack.
150 pesos?
It's like
This one, this one, 160. And then I buy one, 10 pesos.
for 10 pesos for one.
150 for one pack. How much is that in the...
$68.
Papa, 68 na yan doon. May pera ka pa 68.
It's going up every day.
Saka bawal pa
My
mabili.
dad is always do cigarette and then I tell him to my dad $68 already the packet of cigarette. Mahal na pa, tumaas ang tumaas. They up it before $50 only. When my dad is in there, $50 we buy.
So 150 is like
Ang bili ko is $25 per pack.
Because you're buying the different brand. The cheapest brand my dad buying.
I buy
maybe
Mentos
50.
The cat climbed up the boat.
Ayan siya, natutulog na siya.
50
I-sleep.
for one pack in Australia. It's like a cheap brand. No, cheapest.
You'd be lucky.
It'd be like 48, 50 bucks.
Dala mo yung bag. Binili.
Bili ko. Ay, para sa'yo. Ay, hindi ko dala. Patay ka ba? Bakit susuot ba?
Hindi naman.
Nakalimutan ko pero dito ako yung chocolate.
Why we can't touch the cat?
Nasa balik ba yung box?
Ah,
Why we
ano kaya mga next week?
Yeah, that's the one you can hear every morning
You
here.
have sore throat.
They waking up you, Sienna, with the rooster.
It's seen on.
Same.
No, same your the pork. Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's nice too, yeah.
It's soft. How you can buy that in Australia? It's like the old things.
In here, they cooking at the young pig. Young pig.
Good deal. You want water, Mom?
Thank you.
Mama, yung plate.
Thank you very much. Good.
Hindi ka naman mag-asawa.
Oh, your dad.
What are you gonna buy?
Your nana papi, what they want to buy?
You want, yeah, it's shampoo. You want this? Get one. Take picture. Have a take picture.
You know Sina?
$100? $100?
Your price is super high.
No, peso.
He's selling
Not
nana
dollars.
100.
How much?
Peso?
100.
No. Oh, it's too expensive.
No, 1 peso to make it 100.
How much?
Hello, baby.
How much is it, darling?
What?
Oh, 500.
One of the cream silk. Ay, the conditioner one.
Yeah.
How many? One piece or one whole? Papa, isa daw nito. Cream silk. Mama!
One cream silk. How much? Eight pesos.
Oh, 8 pesos. Sienna, there. You give to Nana and then get the money from
How
Nana.
much? Good to me, babe.
I just use the noise and get the coins.
Oh, there. That's your order,
How
Nana.
do you know 8? I don't know. This is 20. This is 20.
Yeah, I'll give you
Just give
20.
20
There you
tip.
go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one.
Give
There
to
you go.
ma'am.
The lighter. When someone buys a cigarette, they can't take the lighter.
Give to mama.
They use it on-
Wow, ang dami naman yan.
Yeah, wala. Katuwaan lang nila. Kaya siya bumili.
Tell me 100 pesos.
Isa 8 pesos lang.
She adding the price. Sienna know how to add the price.
Yeah. You're rich.
Ayaw mo tinapay?
Greedy.
Ayaw niya?
Ayaw. What? Do you see what do you want to eat there to mama? That's why you go there. You eat something.
Ayaw mo to, ha?
You want Sienna?
There, maybe they have some in candy. I don't know. What's that?
Yeah,
Crackers?
candy.
Candies.
Hindi siya
Oh,
mahilig.
there's a white rabbit.
Pili
Maybe
ka
like
yan,
that.
pili ka.
No, maybe it's hard.
Yan, yan.
Soft?
Maybe it's hard.
Okay.
It's hard.
Hard.
This one na lang, the Mentos. Ay, nasa na Mentos?
Ito.
Das the Mentos na lang, Sienna.
Masira ang ngipin yan.
Hindi, Mentos mo.
Kaya mo pa naman.
Tag-isa lang. 1 each. Oh, you give pera.
Igit
Wait,
pera.
there's a candy here.
No, it's for money. Look what's inside. Open it. Open. There's a candy daw. Oh, open it. It's not a candy.
Mali.
Sabi ni Sienna, oh, ay, pero, oh, there's a candy here.
Candy.
Oh, pera, that's yours. Oh, you can do.
The secret hidey hole.
They hiding.
Ito, sa red
What do you expect of?
Ay, sorry.
So I close this.
They can't see. Yeah, very good.
Good on you.
Yeah, the big bottle of beer like that.
Yeah.
Nung makapaliwanag mo Linda, nung bago-bago lang ito,
May permit
ang
yan.
benta namin siguro mga 1.5 lang. Pero ngayon, alam mo kung magkano? 6 to 7,000 a day.
Ah.
I was busy.
Do you see Nana Papi coffee table, Sienna? Look.
That's you, yeah.
Not excited. Kung ginawa mo kami ng visa nun, meron pa kami natira.
Meron pa rin. Ganun lagi.
What's that? See that one?
Ayaw. Oh, nga, lucky. See that?
Saan yan?
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Okay lang daw ba may sapatos?
Yung bina kami yung ganyan. Kaya sa taas kami natulog.
That's our simple house.
Ito. Taas lahat ang gamit.
There.
That's all right.
Ay! Oh, sige, at magaganda ko. Doon kayo nakatulog dati.
This is where Sienna sleep last time.
All right. You built all this yourself.
My dad, yeah, my dad.
Very clever.
My dad. This is our balcony. Mama, paano buksan balcony?
Ayan, nakasaka
There.
lang.
My dad also make this.
Okay.
My
very
dad.
good.
Before we have a bird there, lovebird.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
They put this one because of the rats.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll just get
Actually,
in
it's
here.
from the-
They'll get in here
It's
instead.
from the neighbor. Mama, diba?
Another one.
Yeah. Where's the... Ma, saan ang ilaw?
Ilaw?
There's no light. Watch your step.
May ilaw dyan sa taas.
Watch your step.
You get exercise here, yeah?
My mom is the one cleaning this. This is the room of my brother before.
Okay, yeah.
My brother.
Yeah,
That's why.
it's hot.
When is no one, yeah, that's why Sienna is keep crying because super hot.
Too hot, yeah.
Mainit lang yan pagka nandaman.
This is our room.
Why can't you have aircon in? I suppose they can't put it in the roof, can they?
Yeah, this is my sister room before and Kuya Joseph. That's why they are the photo there.
Wow.
You can download carefully, slowly.
Yeah, yeah.
Ito sa lalaki kong anak ko dati.
Yeah, from my brother room.
Yeah.
Ay, wala na sila eh. Kami na lang dalawa.
That's what happened when no one is living. It's like the house is a little getting.
Yeah.
It's like well, but they got that not stronger enough when no one leaving the house.
Yeah.
There's no air.
Hmm.
So,
But my mom is
the
cleaning
windows
this. How do
with
you?
air.
Every time when you tuwing kailan mo nililinis to?
Isang buwan lang. Isang beses.
Once a month daw my mom cleaning this.
Kakapagod eh.
Because she's getting tired of the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Once a month.
Don't blame her.
Careful.
Yep. I don't need to fall down now. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yep.
What about portable air conditioner? Can they have a portable air conditioner here?
2 minutes.
Yeah, they have here. They say.
Coming. 1 minute.
Careful.
Hey,
Tama, alis na kami.
we're going. 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
We're coming. Very nice.